know that you can lock your shot and hide it without anyone can see it and without anyone can have access to it? In this video, I will show you how to hide and lock a shot on WhatsApp step by step. So to know how to do this, just follow me. We will go first on WhatsApp app, as you see, and you will click here. In this page, you will find this window, so you will choose any shot you want to hide it or lock it first. Here, as you see, you will click on this sign. You will click on these 3 points here on above, as you see, dots, 3 dots. And after that, you will find here lock shot. So what you have to do is you will tap on lock shot. You will click on continue here. Then you can do here with your finger, as you see. But the problem is you will find this lock shot here appears to this window, so everyone can find your lock shot if they have access to it like this. So to hide it, you will enter to this window of lock shots, as you see here, because it's appear and everyone can know that this is a locked shot, so they will know you locked a shot. So you click here, you will enter to it, and then we click on these 3 dots above again, and here we'll find shot lock settings. And after that, here on this page you will find hide locked shots. Locked shots won't show on your shot lists. To see them, enter your secret code into the search bar in your shots tab. So we click here in this sign, and you can use a secret code. For example, let's try this code here. You can add any code you want. And after that, here, as you see, you will find this shot here is not in this page at all. Even in the archived list, you will not find it here in this window. So the shot call, or the lock shot, it will not here, but you can search about it, or to find it, you have to click on above here of search bar. So you will add the code that you add for lock shots, as you see here, and you will click on locked shots. Then you will find it easily here by the code when you tap it on the search bar. So now if you want to unlock this shot, what you can do, if you click here on setting and click on shot lock, you will not find how to unlock the shot, but you have to click on this sign, or click a lot on the shot like this. Then you will find these 3 dots here, and after that you will find this sign of unlock shot, and when you click here, you can unlock the shot and it will appear again in your list shots on WhatsApp in easy way. So that's it. If you are enjoying watching this video, and if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.